Right, now this is going to be a bit weird because what I'm going to do is I'm going to be recording myself, so I'm recording on OBS at the same time as I'm hoping to record on this. I'm not sure if that'll even work. So we click on the mic thing on here, and right, clearly we're not hooked up to the mic. I mean, we've got all this, but I'm going to leave that be, because what we do is we go to the audio mixer, and I don't even know if this is going to work. So OBS recording, no. Right, let's click on this. Right, that should put up another one. Yep, Audacity. Now I want Audacity to record from the HD Pro webcam, the same as OBS is currently doing. I wonder if we can record on both of them at the same time. Well, yeah, seems like we can. That's cool. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my voice. I'm going to record a track of my voice. And this is really odd, recording to two sources at the same time. Right, so this is it. I'm recording. This is messing with my head, to be quite honest. Alright, well that'll do. Alright, so yeah, shut up. God, I hate phones. Right, the first thing to do obviously is to get the sound cleaned up on here. So we go to noise reduction after selecting a small area of just silence, what should be silence. Hit get noise profile, then Control A to select all, and just simply repeat noise reduction, and there you go. The noise is turned into a flat nothing. So let's play this back. Obviously you're going to be hearing the hiss from the mic as it's recording on OBS, so you know, can't do any more than I can do, can I? Right, so this is it. I'm recording. Right, now the point of this is I'm going to export this audio here, and I'm going to see now that export audio. What can we change it to? Can we do a really weird thing? We can do WAVs, AIFF, other uncompressed files. Let's export it as a FLAC, which is a completely lossless format. Basically it's the same quality that you recorded at. There's no compression whatsoever. So I'm going to stick that on the desktop, and I'm going to call it vocal. I don't really want to call it a WAV though, do I? So let's call it FLAC. Not Flask. Okay, because I'm saving it as a FLAC, right? Okay. And you get the options to stick your details in there, I don't know. So we'll OK that. Alright, so now we've got our FLAC. Is it actually a FLAC? I mean, it's called a FLAC. I'm not entirely sure whether this exports properly, so it is a FLAC audio file. Okay. Now there's another program. I showed you Asunder the other day. What we're going to do here is we're going to use Sound Converter. Now Sound Converter is a pretty nifty thing. You can translate between various different sound formats, and it's particularly handy if you've got like a bunch of FLAC files that you want to shrink down to compressed formats, for just shifting about and sticking on portable players and things like that, or somewhere where you've got less capacity for storage. So it's a good way for reducing the file size down. And there's a program called Sound Converter, which is fantastic, really good. GNOME powered sound conversion. Now there is another version called Sound Converter, but with a K for the converter. That's a K, so Sound Converter for your KDE Plasma Qt desktop users. It's just got a Q front end basically. It's the same thing. So let's add this file. Now what do we want to do? Let's go to Preferences. What do we want to export it as? You can change how it's named. You can replace messy characters. You can, oh there you go, look, see, Ogvorbis MP3 FLAC again. You can have a WAV, or you can have an Opus file. I don't even know what an Opus file is, but we're going to convert it to, let's convert it to MP3, because apparently, although we can't rip to MP3, we can convert to MP3 from another format. So we'll try that. We're going to stick it in the same folder as the input file. We don't want to delete the original, but you can if you want to. Name the files. If you want, you can just change how the file is going to get named. Just replace the suffix because it's going from one format to another though. Replace all messy characters. Okay, so let's go. We've chosen MP3, variable bitrate, high quality. Let's go. So let's hit convert. And that was quick, wasn't it? Less than a second. Now, the benefit of doing this is the size of this file is 1.9 meg, and that's obviously it's just 2-channel speech for about a few seconds. But the MP3, 291.7 kilobytes. For things like speech, you're really not going to notice an awful lot of difference. Right, so this is it. I'm recording, I'm recording, I'm recording. This is messing with my head, to be quite honest. Alright, but that'll do, that'll do. And now let's hit a FLAC version. That opens straight up in there. Let's open it in the SM Player the same. Right, so this is it. I'm recording, I'm recording, I'm recording. This is messing with my head, to be quite honest. Alright, but that'll do, that'll do. Okay, so as you can see with things like speech files, just separate single vocal, you can pretty much compress it right down to something tiny. So as you see, we've gone from 2 meg to 1/4 of a meg, 1/3 of a meg. So we've compressed that down an awful lot. Let's open that up again with Audacity, because I just quickly want to show you how to get the dark theme on Audacity. Simple as a pimple interface. I think it's here. It's really difficult to tell. Blend system and Audacity theme, yeah. That's the language, I guess. This is what happens with having a like dark theme anyway. If we go to classic. Yeah. Okay, but I've got a dark theme anyway, so it makes a lot of the things look a bit weird. So yeah, it's there in preferences and interface. See, this has picked up the entire the GTK theme anyway. So yeah, I'm going to go to dark and be done with it, because I don't spend an awful lot of time in there. So there you go. That's how you change the theming on your Audacity, how you do a bit of vocal hiss cleanup, how you do a little bit of conversions using Sound Converter or Sound Converter with a K if you're on the KDEs. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video, sir. Bye-bye.